You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How to pronounce these sports brand name. For more sports brands name, stay tuned. Alright, so in this case I must say that I have no idea how it is to be said. I mean, we have a clue here on this Facebook post. The running company Lilydale on Facebook say, we have finally learned how to pronounce the brand correctly. Either Ciele or Ciele. Okay, I'm not sure where they got that information from. Maybe from the brand, being a business that's probably sells those hats. You think they know? Ciele or Ciele. There's another video on the internet saying that it's pronounced Ciele, I think, which doesn't make any sense to me. It's true that in French the Ciel is said as ciel, and that means the sky, but there's no E at the end. So really, truly, I don't know how it is to be said. If you have any idea or a good clue, let us know, let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.